Define it, I think it's really well done. Habang kumukulo siya, this all do is we're gonna i-serve na natin. Yes, iserve na natin ito. It goes sa ating matagal mo itong salamin ko. But it's okay. I'm gonna put in here para sa kanyang presentation. Imagine that. Oh my God. Kimchi sinigang na may value. Yeah, first time, it's really good, ah. Tama-tama ito sa panlasa mo, sa panlasa ng Filipino. And of course, eto na. Dahil Asian tayo, we love rice. And of course, look at that. It's really tastes good. Siyempre, lalo na sa mga napupuyat na lalasing na kamukha ko. Wow, it's so yummy. And it was so delicious. Wow. Wala siyang pinagkaiba sa kimchi chicken. Dahil we are Asian, we love rice. Ito mga kaibigan. Lantakin na natin. At saka yung kanin. It's really good and tastes good. Simple hot food cooking, di ba? At napakasarap.
Yan sa inyo po lahat mga ipagdyo po kayo ng gandang gamang siyempre, pero it is the day. What day today? Akalimutan ko, Domingo pa lang yan eh. It's Sunday, so ladies and gents, so kung ipiyain mo siya, probably comment down below. Today it is, I'm hungry. I'm craving like a Filipino food, so medyo a little bit tired, and of course like sleepy, and of course puyat tayo. So I'm gonna go grab some gulay, so magsisigang tayo. And look at that beautiful weather, look at the beautiful ambience right in here in Korea. And you know what, right now it's summertime, it's almost, I think almost like 37 degrees Celsius, but in other place it's raining outside. So we're gonna get a breadwinning award. So that's all we do is, I would like to say congratulations. And because the breadwinning award is they're working hard, patience, brave, and humble. So tara, sa aking paboritong like vegetable mart, because I wanna buy some tomato. I think meron pa ako sibuyas sa bahay. I have some what you call that, some veggie, but yung konting veggie lang. So this all do, I'm gonna go in there to get something para sa ating pagkain. Yeah, man, the weather is so hot. Look at that. And this, alright, I'm gonna go in here and grab one tomato, and I wanna get something like a veggie. At siyempre kailangan din natin ng sili. Wow, I think dito medyo tahimik. Ano nga sa'yo mo? So I wanna go grab. Also, they have some tomato. Oh, maybe I can get like 2 tomatoes and some veggie. Okay, dito. And some pepper. Maybe like 4 pepper, 3 pepper for you. Okay, like this, talong so long. And of course, I think we need some leafy vegetables. Right now, I bought some tomato and some eggplant. I don't have the leafy vegetables, but I need to stop by eating here sa Thai store. I wanna grab some yung patis nila. So let's go inside. Sinaduan ako. Sinarado. So right, yan ang sinasabi ko. This one is really good, yung fish sauce niya, lalo na pag nagluto ka ng sinigang. Napakadami na yung product in here. Wow, napakadami na yung product in here. Imagine sa mga Thai product. Ganun sila din mga barbecue. Oh my God. That's a lot. Just all the item. Ito lang. Tapos bayaran natin at uwi na tayo. So whatever guys, we go home. So finally, and I imagine that I just bought like 3 pieces of pepper, and of course I bought what you call the 2 pieces of tomato, and of course leafy vegetables, and of course I don't have but it's okay, meron tayong eggplant. I think that it's okay, so let's go home. And so today is magluluto tayo ng sinigang. I don't have some veggie, but guess what?
sinigang sa kimchi. Kimchi, sinigang, of course, with pork. Sino naman tayo ba chumpik? First of all, I'm gonna cut the onion. Yes, how are you guys? Yes po. Ang inyong God, si Korean Angel. Siyempre, hindi lang pong queen, hindi lang pong king, hindi lang pang star margarine, and of course, hindi lang pang oxidant, anti-pa sa deodorant ito. I'm gonna gigisa ko muna siya ang ating what you call that. Actually, we need a little bit like cooking oil. Sinigang. Ito sinigang mga Jobber Cats. Yes, first time na magsisinigang ako ng pork with kimchi. Yeah, alright. I'm gonna put ang ating but it's okay. And of course, dahil mahal ang tomato, we put only one tomato. Siyempre mga Jobber Cats, we always inspired, never expired. Yes, because all we do is we're gonna put an tomato. I put only like one tomato because the tomato is very expensive. Yes, kasi diba katatapos lang ng tag-ulan, syempre katatapos lang ng baha. Alright, and we're gonna put ang ating meat. Pinalambot ko na to actually. Alright, here we go. Alright, mga Jobber Cats, imagine that, amoy pa lang ulam niya. All we do is ang ating sinigang. Akin na yung ating yung oyster sauce ko. Pero wala akong magic sir, but actually is veggie na lang ang ilalagay natin. Lalagay tayo konti lang, hindi lang tayo mag-kilo. Alright, and of course, we're gonna mix it. Alright, while we mix it, I'm gonna fry a little bit. Wow, parang ulam na. And ito ang ating kimchi. Mas lalo pang masarap pag Jobber Cats yung pinaka what you call that? Yung like the real, like you all want kimchi. Okay, so we're gonna do is right here, and we put the kimchi. Ito ang ating kimchi. Wala yung plastic. Ibigay ng ating kaibigan. Yung forward ko. Wala yung plastic. And of course, we're gonna mix it. Yes, we're gonna mix it like in a little bit. Amoy pa lang ulam na. Wow. Fan, ang iyong lingkod is andito na naman, nagluluto. Yes, walang sawang lumalaban sa buhay. Yes, so this all we do is lagyan ko lang ng konting oyster sauce para to absorb the taste and aroma. Well, we make it a little bit like a high mark at i-fry lang natin siya ng konti. Yes, alright. And soy sauce. Pag wala din siyang soy sauce, no, I mean this sauce was from Thailand. Let's put it in Thai kasi wala siyang amoy. So I'm gonna put like maybe like a little bit. Alright? At lagyan natin siya ng pepper. Just put, I put only like one pepper. Whew. Wow, it's really good. I think pinagkulong ko ng baboy a while ago is I'm gonna put later. Actually, pwede naman natin transfer dito kasi yung aking cover. Yes, alright, here we go. I don't have some veggie because the vegetable is very expensive. Sa ating mga besi, yes, mahilig sa tuwang na uring-zuwang. Eto, isa lang ang ilalagay ko. Yes, mamaya. I'm gonna like cut this one into the round one, like a round one. Yes, kung sa bilang isang jolly, and of course, bilang isang breadwinning award is goes to you, alright? And of course, I'll make it like a little bit like high five because dahil wala akong sinigang mix or tamarind, this will all with you meron tayong lemon press from the farm. I-cover lang natin yung mga Jobber Cats. We'll cover this one. And of course, pasok tayo sa loob. Pasok tayo sa loob, mga kaibigan, sa aking bahay. Itutug kita. Yes, Charan! Welcome home, sweet home! And of course, ito ang aking bed na makalat. Yes, ang makasalanang bed. And of course, that's my YouTube silver play button. And ito ang aking mini studio. Ito ang aking pole dance na sometimes nag-live streaming ako dito, nagsayaw-sayaw ba. And of course, meron lang ako maliit na isang, this one is portable aircon. But it's really hot too. And that's my personal computer kung saan ako nag-i-edit. So, Hintayin lang na natin na makulo at kakain na tayo. OMG mga Jabber guys, it really tastes good. And of course, look at that. And because I don't have some lettuce and or something like a cabbage or something like other leafy vegetable. But ano ba sinama ko? Sinama ko yung tampong niya, yung eggplant na lang. So ang ating pork kimchi sinigang, it's super yummy. OMG mga Jabber guys, I think it's really well done. And of course, right now, as I'm gonna mix it because I put the what you call it, the eggplant. Yeah, the organic eggplant. Paborito siya ng bayan. And of course, ang ating kimchi with what you call it, kimchi with pork sinigang. And then I put yung ating lime. And kung medyo matabang siya, lagyan ko lang ng konting asin because I put already the fish sauce. I think like this is like a simple hot pot cooking. It's very healthy and of course fresh from the farm. At ikukumpre lang natin siya. Pwede na tayong kumain. We're gonna taste it. Oh yeah, my God. It's really tastes good. Oh, really. But I wanna put something more like a little bit like a water. But for me, it's okay na yan. Ilalagay ko lang siya dito because we are Asian. We love rice. I put like a little bit like soup because I want soup. Kasi nalasing ako kagabi. Iko-cover ko lang to and then kakain na tayo. Oh, and finally, I think it's really well done. Abang kumukulo siya, this all do is we're gonna serve. I-serve na natin. Yes, natin ito. And of course, sa ating nakalimutan ko ang salamin ko. But it's okay. I'm gonna put in here para sa kanyang presentation. Imagine that. Oh my God. Kimchi sinigang na may baboy. Yeah, first time, it's really good, ah. Tama-tama ito sa palasa mo, sa palasa ng Filipino. And of course, eto na. Dahil Asian tayo, we love rice. And of course, look at that. It's really tastes good. Siyempre, lalo na sa mga napupuyat na lalasing na kamukha ko. Wow, it's so yummy. And it was so delicious. Wow. Wala siyang pinagkaiba sa kimchi chicken. Dahil we are Asian, we love rice. Ito mga kaibigan. Lantakin na natin. At saka yung kanin. It's really good and tasty good. Simple hot pot cooking, di ba? At napakasarap. It's super yummy. Nag-aagaw yung kanyang asim at saka yung linamnam. Alright mga Jabber Cats, this is called Kuya Angel never told to share my story ang ating sinigang na pork with kimchi for today. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And of course, nakalasalam kayo mga pampal, may pag-job po kay Kon. Siyempre, ako yung sisiglot at pasalamat kayo na para support. Bye bye, I love you all.